I think that FabFitFun just sent me their best box ever. But there's one thing inside that I can't believe that they have included. Let's open it together. Hello, fellow FabFitFun friends. Are you excited to see what is in the fall box for 2025? I'm Kathy. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox my fall FabFitFun box because I don't remember what I chose. If you are not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a lifestyle subscription that is totally customizable to your liking. You choose 6 full-size products per season from top brands. Choices include beauty, fashion, skincare, home, wellness, tech, and more. Spoiler alert, there is a bonus 7th product in the fall box only. Each box has a retail value up to $350. FabFitFun is offering you 2 special offers, and we'll talk more about that in a moment. I want to thank FabFitFun for partnering with me today on this video. Are you excited to see what's in my box? Let's look at choice number 1. So this is the Split 59 Gym Tote, and it has a value of $80. It's in this gorgeous, I don't know if you would call this plum or burgundy or really what the shade is, but it's absolutely stunning and it is the perfect color for fall. It has a zip top and there are, pretty big compartments inside. Hidden zip compartment in here. So this would make like a perfect day bag. Even if you were going overnight and you didn't require a lot of stuff, it would easily pack into this. This would be a great carry-on for the airplane, a gym tote. It's just such a versatile bag. It's so soft, so well made. It's just absolutely stunning, and I'm so glad that I picked it because this will get a lot of use this fall. I always find it so difficult to choose what I want because there are so many great choices. So I always have a difficult time picking, what is the one thing out of that choice options that I want. So, I would love to hear what some of your choices are if you're getting the fall box. Let us know in the comments. If you aren't subscribed, click that subscribe button. It's 100% free and I upload 2 videos a week. So my gym bag has already covered the cost of this box, so everything else is a bonus. Wait until you see what I chose for choice number 2. I love Elemis, have been using their products for years. I especially like their cleansing balm, but I have wanted to try this product for a long time, but I didn't want to shell out my money. And that's one of the great things that I enjoy about the FabFitFun subscription is that you get to try products that maybe you don't want to normally spend that much money on or products that are new to you. It's a great way to test things out with really spending a lot of money. So I was very excited when I saw the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This has a value, $94. $94. I cannot wait to try this. This, I believe, is a day cream. I want to finish up the one that I'm using currently before I open this one, but I just want to show you. I just got some on my bottle, but look how thick it is. Oh, it has a very light scent. It's wonderful. It feels so good on my skin. It just makes my skin feel like silk. So I am super excited when my moisturizer is finished that I'm going to use this Elemis one because I have not been disappointed so far with any of their products. This moisturizer delivers rapid hydration and significantly reduces the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Check back with me in a month and I'll let you know what I think. And as a FabFitFun member, I get access to member-only flash sales from top brands up to 70% off, like Prada, Glossier, Free People, Coach, Fenty Beauty, and more. The average member saves $500 in their first season. So my third choice, I decided to go with this gorgeous Dainty necklace. Doesn't it sparkle? It's just lovely. And this is the Electric Pix Camilla necklace. It's available in silver and gold, and it has a value of $68. This sparkling charm necklace is available in 14 karat gold or sterling silver plated. And it's really, really adorable, and it kind of reminds me of a high-end brand. If you're familiar with it, you'll know which one, but it's really adorable. So if you know me, you know that I have a slight addiction to travel bags, and I'm always on the hunt for the perfect jewelry travel little tote or jewelry bag. So for my fourth choice, I had to try this one. It is by 8 Other Reasons, and it has a retail value of $49.95. It's very luxurious, very soft, and I love the envelope style. So it has a snap, and then you open it up, and it has this zipper compartment here where you can put things in this clear pouch. And then it has another zippered compartment. And then this part here is for like pierced earrings. There's holes in it. I don't know if you can see it, but to store your earrings. And then there are 2 things like this to put your rings on. And they just snap close like that. And then there's this zippered compartment. This flips over. And then I'm not sure. Oh, these are for necklaces. Oh, that's a great idea. So you have these 4 different tabs, and you snap them. You would hang the necklace on there. And then there's a pouch in the bottom where the rest of the necklace can rest. So, you know, this is perfect to go in your carry-on bag, you know, an overnight bag. It is really, really nice, very well made, and it feels really high quality. So this is going to be a great addition to my travel bag collection. I was really excited to see quite a few rare beauty products available, and one of them is actually one of my favorite blushes. And it's the shade Happy. I think there's like 4 different shades you can choose from. I love that blush because it's so luminous and glowy, and it's just a beautiful shade on my skin. But as for a powdered blush, it works well with mature skin because a lot of times, you know, powdered blushes can settle in fine lines and wrinkles. Not the case. But I saw their hydrating hand cream, and I had to try this. First of all, it's the most adorable little packaging. This would be the perfect size for travel, or, you know, just to fit into your purse. So you just turn the top, and then, you know, there's a little hole and it opens up, and let's try it out. This is the first I've tried it. So very nice consistency, absorbs into the skin rapidly. Oh, really nice subtle scent. Oh wow, this is nice. I really like it. So I think this might be coming with me to Africa when I go. I'll just have to check. Yeah, it should work. It's 1.79 ounces. So that's the perfect size. So this is coming with me to Africa because I cannot be without hand cream. Love this. So it's a fast absorbing, non-greasy hand cream with a cozy scent that lasts up to 16 hours. And spoiler alert, they also have cream for the whole body, which would also be great. So I don't think you'll be disappointed if this is one of your choices. I also really happen to love Merit Beauty, and I have several of their tinted lip oils, and this was a choice. So I thought that I'd give this one a try, and it has a price of $24. So it's a really nice tinted color, not sticky, not tacky. I'll wear this, you know, just by itself some days. I forgot to write down the shade, and I can't read without my glasses. But I think there's a couple different shades that you can choose from. But Merit Beauty, their products are really great. Their lip oils, like I said, they're very moisturizing, hydrating on the lips. Their wear time is pretty good, but also the perfect size for your purse. Cute packaging. You will not go wrong with any choice that you pick from Merit. They're wonderful, wonderful products. Oh my goodness. So for the bonus choice number 7, well, isn't it a great deal for the fall box, like to get a bonus choice? I love Hourglass, and I have never tried their eyeshadow, single cream eyeshadow sticks. But I do like, well, I like a lot of their products, but I have one of their stick lip glosses or lip balms. They're wonderful. But let's try this out together. I purposely didn't put any eyeshadow on today. So it's supposed to be crease resistant eyeshadow with high impact color, leaving you with a sleek metallic shine. The color is Moon, and it has a value of $34. So it's just a very light neutral. And I'm gonna try and do this without a mirror, which, you know, could be dicey, but let's give it a try. How does that look? Did I get it all over the place? Let me just go finish putting it on and I'll be right back. Okay, what do you think? I love it. Love at first sight. It just goes on so smooth. There is no tugging on my eyelids. You know, it's not gonna get caught in any wrinkles I might have. It's just a subtle color that you can wear every day on its own, or you could use it as a base, you could use it as a topper. I definitely will have to get some more of these because sometimes with eyeshadow sticks, they can, I don't know what the word is, like when you're putting them on, well, they can just plop on and they go on too thick. This just feels so sheer. It actually feels like I'm putting silk on my eyelids. I don't know how else to describe it to you. But wow, getting an Hourglass product in the FabFitFun box to me is a steal. And this alone would actually make me so happy to receive my box. Okay, now I want to total up everything and see the value of my box. Did it reach $350? So choice number one is the gym tote. It has a value of $80. Number two, we have the Elemis Marine Cream, value $94. Then we have the Electric Pix necklace, value of $68. The little jewelry travel bag has a value of $49.95. The Rare Beauty hand cream, $18. Merit Beauty tinted lip oil has a value of $24. And the Hourglass eyeshadow stick has a value of $34. Drum roll, please. My fall FabFitFun box has a value of $367.95. I think that this is one of my favorite FabFitFun boxes that I've ever received. There are so many other great choices that you can choose, so many other brands, other items from the brands that I've showed you. I don't think you'll be disappointed. So there are two ways that you can sign up for a FabFitFun box. You can sign up seasonally, where you're billed every 3 months, or annually. So you pay upfront for the whole year and you get a little bit of a discount whenever you pay upfront. And I have two special codes for you. Use code KathyGift to receive a free gift valued at over $200 with a new annual membership. I'm an annual member and I love it, because I get first dibs at choosing my products, I get earlier shipping, and I get first access to flash sales. I really feel that the annual membership gives me the most for my money, but it's entirely up to you. If you just want to try a seasonal box, I have a great deal for that as well. Use code Kathy and you're going to save 20% off your first box. Each season's box has a value up to $350. And when you use my code, your first box will cost you $63.99. If you want to go and watch any of my videos from past FabFitFun boxes, I'll link my playlist here. Remember, use my code in case you want to sign up for any of the memberships. And thank you to FabFitFun for partnering with me on this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.